Hi there. I welcome you to my YouTube channel. So, in this video, I'm going to speak about an interesting topic in the industry. Keep watching. I am going to discuss on can digital marketing be a side hustle. Digital marketing is quickly becoming one of the hottest industries, and many people are looking to turn it into a side hustle. However, can digital marketing be a side hustle? What is digital marketing and how can it help you create a side hustle? Digital marketing is modern day marketing and can help you create a side hustle. The digital world is constantly evolving, so staying on top of the latest trends is crucial. With digital marketing, you can promote your products, services, or business to your target audience. You can market your business in the digital world in several ways, including using search engine optimization SEO, social media marketing, and blogging. Search engine optimization SEO is a marketing strategy that uses different methods to improve your ranking on search engine results pages SERPs. When someone searches for terms related to your business, you want them to see your website when they search. Social media marketing uses platforms like Facebook and Instagram to promote your products or services. For example, using hashtags or posting images can upgrade your business through platforms like Instagram. Blogging can also help improve your digital marketing strategy. You can start a blog on any topic related to your business. You can then promote your blog using social media or SEO. You can also market your blog through affiliate marketing, which allows you to create partnerships with other brands. How to create a digital marketing side hustle that can generate revenue? Do you need a business license to create a side hustle out of digital marketing? You need a business license to create a side hustle out of digital marketing. This is because digital marketing is an industry that requires a lot of expertise and knowledge to succeed. With a business license, you could find yourself in legal trouble if you're following all the regulations that are in place. To be able to operate as a digital marketer legally, you'll need to comply with state and federal regulations. For example, all digital marketers must have a business license to operate in certain states with licensing requirements. In addition, all digital marketers are responsible for abiding by the FTC Rule 5, which states that any advertising claims must be truthful and not misleading. There are a few different types of business licenses that digital marketers may need. These licenses include a marketing agency license, a digital marketing consultant license, and a digital media sales representative license. Each of these licenses requires different levels of experience, knowledge, and expertise to operate as a digital marketer legally. If you're unsure whether or not you need a business license to start a side hustle in digital marketing, be sure to consult with a lawyer or an industry expert to make sure you're following all the regulations that are in place. Without a business license, you could be in trouble with the law. How to find clients for digital marketing side hustle? Since digital marketing is so popular, it has become an easy side hustle for many digital marketers. These are some ways that you can find new clients for your digital marketing side hustle. Try social media. Social media is a great way to find new clients for your digital marketing side hustle. Post regularly, especially on Twitter and Instagram. Include hashtags like #digitalmarketer and #digitalmarketing and post regularly. Use job sites. Job sites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelance are great options for finding new clients for your side hustle. These sites allow you to find clients for a variety of different services. Attend events. Attend local networking events in your area. These events are great places to meet potential clients for your digital marketing side hustle. Benefits of digital marketing over traditional marketing. Digital marketing is a type of marketing that entails the promotion of products and services through one or more forms of electronic media. Digital marketing differs from traditional marketing because it uses channels and methods that enable an organization to analyze marketing campaigns and understand what is working and what is not, typically in real time. There are various kinds of digital marketing, including social media marketing, search engine optimization, SEO, content marketing, mobile marketing, email marketing, affiliate marketing, pay-per-click advertising, display advertising, online video marketing. These techniques allow businesses to target specific customers with the help of demographic, psychographic, and geographic data. In addition, digital marketing takes advantage of the power of the internet and other technologies such as mobile phones, to deliver promotional messages to customers. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. If you found this video is informative, follow me for more videos. Thank you.